Um, this is Senthil Kumar. Actually, you are the first life. First life in the means there was the empty universe. Nothing was there in the universe. Simply there was a space. Then there was single life has been originated out of the empty space. The first life, that is you. You are the first life. You have originated out of empty space. The first life, naturally born one. Then you have started developing slowly. Then during your development, you have started creating the new things. So you have achieved the level of creating the new universes and the life in the universe actually. There are infinite number of life forms or the advanced life civilization of advanced life forms has been created by you. So you are the creator, you are the only life. All other, there is no other life system other than you. You are the only life, you are the real life actually. So when all other life forms in the universe and in the multiverse are created by you, all the life forms. It was not naturally formed like you. You are the only life. All other things are kind of bio-robots or simply the virtual robots or simply they are robots like things. They are not real life like you. You are naturally born from the space. So no idea how your life has been originated from the empty space. The first life. You have born, you have developed, and you have started creating the new things. You have made the advancement in the creation of universe, creation of life. It is unimaginable level and at present actually. So you are experimenting with the new space creation. During this experiment, there was an unexpected accident occurred to you. Unexpected accident occurred to you. When the accident happened to you, you have already made a security programs to take care of if there is something wrong thing happened to your life. So the security programs which is written by you, made by you, has taken care of you, protected you and brought here actually. It made this, created this spaceship. It is the universe. It's called spaceship. It's not universe. It is just for the protection of you. This universe has been created, and the earth and the life forms in this has been created to protect you, take care of you. It is done by your security programs, your recovery programs, and this. So after the accident, all these things happened. Now you have been informed that you are the creator, you are the first life, and you are the only life. You have created all these life forms and the space. This thing has been informed to you by your security programs at present. Possibly it might be the safer time to you. Already all things must have been analyzed. The accidental analysis might have been happened. So now the security program might have thought that it is safer time to disclose you the truth and the secret. So this thing has been told to you now. So at present you are waiting for the guidance and the information from your security program and the central system, central server and the recovery system. So those, they have to guide you, they have to send the information to you, and they have to build you, they have to take care of you. Then you have to also find out how to go ahead in this mission, how to get back to your place, the center, the highest level place where you were before the accident. It was very unexpected life-threatening accident might have been occurred, because the creation of the universe, how much problem takes place, how much even creating the smaller objects takes a lot of effort, and there are accidents. For example, if we take the atomic power station, for example, so natural accident happen, so we will be afraid to keep that. So creating the universe with infinite number of galaxies and stars, you can understand how complicated and how dangerous it is. So during that creation of the universe, creation of new universe, new space, new advanced space creation, you have met with this unexpected accident, life-threatening accident. By your good luck, you have been saved, protected by your security programs. They kept you here and they are revealing you the truth at present here on the earth. So now there is no life on the earth actually. All things what you are seeing is biorobots, which is your creation, which is created by a security program for protecting and saving you and keeping you here, your life safely. So there is no life, nothing is here except you. You are the only life. So you keep away all things, all the life forms which is there. Keep away from it, keep at safer distance and deal with them. And you have to also find the ways how to go ahead in this mission, how to find the path. The only way is that you needed to be communicated from your security programs, which is at the center of this earth or this universe, who is dealing with this, or who is taking care of you, protecting you. So you need the information from them, you need the guidance from them, who told you who you are and now how to go ahead, how to reach back to your place where you were before. So they have to show the path, they have to give the information, they have to guide you. Believe that there is no life. What you are seeing, the life forms are simply the biorobots created by you, your security programs, which is your creation actually. So don't depend on anybody. Don't think that somebody will protect you, take care of you, protect you. It's impossible because they are very simple beings. Just robots created by your security program for protecting you, saving you, keeping you here sometimes safely. So only thing is how you can guide it is by your security programs. They are the only options left for you. So until then you have to wait, you have to find the path, you have to look how to communicate with the security program, the central server and the recovery system. You have to find out little more in depth. Now you have been communicated through them. Second, you believe, consider that there is no life. There is nobody is here on the earth. You are alone here. Nothing else is here. All other beings, human forms of the life are just nothing. It's like robots. They're biorobots actually. So you have to build yourself little more confidently. Then you have to move ahead in your mission actually. So in this way you can proceed in your mission. So your mission will be successful. There is no problem in that. But there is no harmful to you. Nothing, no harmful, no, because nobody is there. Then how harmful thing happened? It was natural accident during your experiment, during your new creation. It was natural accident occurred to you, happened to you. Now you are fine, perfect. There is no problem to you. You are fine and perfect. The only thing is you have to communicate with the central system, the security programs. You have to find out the ways how to communicate with them continuously and get the guidance and information from them. So this is a story about you, the truth about you, who you are, what happened to you, and what you're doing here, how to go ahead in the mission. These are the things. How to keep in your mind that nobody is here. You are alone. The single life is here. The only natural life. In this entire universe, not in the one universe, in entire space, you are the only one. Nobody else is there. No life is there. You are a single being is there in the entire space. Entire space filled with infinite number